Planet Earth is believed to be around 4.5 billion years old, and humans are known to exist on Earth for around 6 million years, which is only a fraction of Earth's age. Would you be surprised if I tell you that some creatures other than humans that exist today have been roaming around our home for around 500 million years? Well, today's video is about 14 ancient creatures that are still alive today. Let's begin. But first, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Number 1. Frilled Shark. This species of shark is known to exist on Earth for 80 million years, and it seems it has hardly changed appearance since then. Mostly found in cold, dark depths of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, frilled sharks have several rows of around 300 needle-like teeth, which are perfect for snagging the soft bodies of their prey. Squids are their favorite food, but they also feed on a variety of fishes and other sharks. But being the creatures of a very deep sea, they're extremely hard to find and considered quite rare. Number 2. Nautilus. Isn't it amazing that these apparently soft, defenseless, mollusk-like creatures outlived the dinosaurs, witnessed, and survived 3 ice ages and asteroid strikes on Earth? They are known as the most ancient sea creatures still alive, and have been roaming beneath our lands for around 500 million years. They are also called cephalopods, literally meaning living fossils. Probably their strong and beautiful shells protected them during the Earth's harsh ages. Nautilus are mostly found in deep, warm, and temperate waters of the Indo-Pacific Ocean, Australia, and Indonesia. Number 3. Giant Chinese Salamander. They can reach sizes of up to 6 feet, and that's why they are considered to be the largest amphibians on Earth. They have been known to exist for 170 million years. But being a target of ruthless hunters, they are getting extremely rare even in China where they belong. Surprisingly, some of them have adopted the orange color due to possible gene mutations, which has made them even more exposed to hunters. Luckily, some of them have evolved excellent camouflaging skills, due to which they can easily hide at the bottom of rivers. Number 4. Comodo Dragon. They are believed to be originated from Australia around 4 million years ago, and today they are considered as world's largest and heaviest lizards, growing nearly 10 feet long and weighing around 150 pounds. You'll be surprised, and maybe terrified to know, that they were thought to contain deadly bacteria in their spit, powerful enough to take down a buffalo. Upon research, it was learned that they actually have venom glands rather than a deadly spit, which is also deadly but less terrifying, right? Number 5. Crocodilian. These ancient creatures that are still alive today are mostly found in some parts of Nepal and India, and its native and more common name is gharial. They are known to dwell in Earth's rivers for as long as around 200 million years. Their long and thin snout and around 110 pointed teeth make them perfectly adaptable to catch and kill fish. It also differentiates them from other crocodiles and alligators you usually see. Applications of their skin and fats in traditional skin have made them extremely vulnerable to hunting, so much so that less than 250 of these ancient creatures are still alive. Number 6. Sturgeon. The sturgeon, which looks like a primitive fish, has been around here for 250 million years. The largest sturgeon found so far weighed more than 3,000 pounds. Most of its species grow up to 12 feet, while some of them may grow as long as 18 feet. Another amazing fact about sturgeon is that they have a relatively long life, about 50 to 60 years, while they start breeding between 15 to 20 years. Due to the applications of their meat and eggs as food, over 85 of its species have been classified to be at risk of extinction. And that also makes them one of the most endangered species among the ancient creatures that are still alive. Number 7. Ghost Shark. Spoiler alert, these sharks are not actually ghosts, but sound suitable because of their scary looks. Being in existence for almost 180 million years, this monster lives in the darkest depth of the oceans, around 8,500 feet. It can grow up to almost 5 feet and has a venomous spine. It has special sensors on the skin that can detect even the slightest of electrical signals caused by muscle contraction. This means that if you even wiggle your finger 10 feet away, the shark will know exactly where you are. Well, don't worry because you are not going 8,500 feet under the ocean, just to experiment with that, are you? Number 8. Horseshoe Crab. These creatures are relatively easier to find. You can find them scuttling around the beaches of the Atlantic, Southeast Asia, and the Gulf Coast of North America. They look more closely related to spiders and scorpions rather than crabs. And that big scary-looking spike on their back? It's the deadly venomous sting like the one in scorpions. Nope, Just kidding, it's just a tail, and they use it to flip themselves back upright. They can grow up to 19 inches tall and have been estimated to exist for around 300 million years. Number 9. Tuatara. These ancient reptiles are almost 240 million years old and usually found only in New Zealand. The most amazing thing about Tuatara is its third eye. Yes, third eye. Right on the top of its head, which is often symbolized as a sign of supernatural powers or mysticism. But the third eye in Tuatara is there to sense extra light for navigation and for detecting what time of day it is. This third eye is called the parietal eye, and it shows that these reptiles are light sensitive. They usually prefer cold weather and have 3 rows of teeth to grab and swallow bugs. Number 10. Sandhill Crane. Sandhill cranes are usually found in Siberia and some areas of North America. They are known to be existed for around 10 million years and live in open habitats, so they are easy to spot. They are very popular among communities around their habitats due to their amazing dancing skills and crimson-caped bodies. The sight, when they fill up the sky in hundreds of numbers, is truly elegant. Number 11. Tapir. The earliest fossil evidence of these herbivorous mammals dates back to 20 million years ago. Out of 5 species, 4 are found in Central and South America, and 1 in Asia. The word tapir originates from Brazilian language, which means thick animals. With their short legs, round bodies, short tails, and the size of a donkey, they almost look like fat horses. But their most prominent feature is their snout, which is flexible like the trunk of an elephant. They use their snouts to smell and pluck leaves off the trees and put them in their mouth. When they feel threatened, they hide and submerge themselves in the river and use their snouts to breathe, like a tube. And perhaps that's why they have survived so far among the ancient creatures that are still alive today. Number 12. Squid from hell. Vampirotuthis infernalis is the name given to this ancient creature, which literally means vampire squid from hell. Probably it's due to the fact that it has a Satan-like appearance, who is considered to be a legend from hell. The title of the vampire is given due to its red body, because it's obviously not a blood-sucking monster. Being a creature of deep depths, where oxygen is scarce, the vampire squid has to stick itself to the stones to conserve energy. But its secret weapon is the photophores at the end of its tentacles, which are used to distract its prey before catching it. And well, they have been found to exist on Earth for 165 million years. Number 13. Martialis Heureka. These ancient creatures were first discovered in the Amazon forest in Manaus, Brazil, in 2000. Being a newer species of ants, a new subfamily was created for them, known as Martialinia. The word Martialis Heureka means ants from Mars. It is believed that these ancient ants were present on Earth at least 120 million years ago. They are usually confined to low-light environments and feed on rotting wood or leaf litter. Number 14. Alligator Gar. This seemingly mythical creature is known as Alligator Gar, a strange name for a fish with the shape of an alligator. Evidence from fossil records suggests that alligator gars existed around 100 million years ago. Most of them usually grow up to 6 feet long and weigh around 100 pounds. However, some of them may get really big, around 8.5 feet long, and weighing around a whopping 327 pounds. Due to overfishing and the destruction of their habitats, they're becoming pretty rare, and stand among the rarest and ancient creatures that are still alive today. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.